Let us multiply monomials at gagamitin natin dito ang product rule. So ano ba yung product rule? So product rule, kapag mayroon tayong parehong base, ang ginagawa na lang natin sa ating mga exponents ay ina-add na lang. Kagaya nito. So x to the mth power times x to the nth power, kopyahin na lang yung x and then i-add natin yung exponents na m at saka n. Kaya meron tayong m plus n. Puntahan natin yung unang example. So we have here the product of x and x squared. Ang numerical coefficients nitong ating dalawang given ay invisible 1. So 1 times 1, 1 pa rin naman yun. Huwag na nating ilista or isulat. Focus na tayo dito sa x at saka sa x squared. So since pareho ang ating bases, kopyahin na lang natin yung base natin na x. And then, we're going to add the exponents. We have here an invisible 1 na exponent. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. So ang ating product ay x cubed. Next, sa second given, meron tayong numerical coefficients na 5 at saka 2. Imumultiply muna natin yan. After that, imumultiply natin yung a cubed at saka yung a to the 4th power using the product rule. So again, 5 times 2, that is equal to 10. And then, kopyahin lang natin yung parehong base, which is a, and let's just add the exponents. 3 plus 4, that is 7. So our product is 10 times a to the 7th power. Next given, we have negative 6m squared, imumultiply natin sa 3m to the 5th power. Again, multiply natin yung numerical coefficients. Negative 6 times 3, negative times positive, that is equal to negative. Our answer is negative 18. And then, dito tayo sa m squared at saka sa m to the 5th power. Pareho ang bases, kopyahin na lang natin. So, pareho namang m yan. And then, i-add na lang natin ang exponents. 2 plus 5, that is 7. Our product is negative 18 times m to the 7th power. Sa ating fourth given, ang ating numerical coefficient sa unang expression ay 1/2. Or sa unang monomial is 1/2. Dito naman sa pangalawang monomial na given ay 8. So, i-multiply muna natin ito. 1/2 times 8. So, ang 8 dito, hindi naka-fraction, pero meron niyang invisible 1 na denominator. Kapag nagmo-multiply tayo, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 1 times 8, that is 8. And then 2 times 1, that is 2. And then you divide, since pwede namang i-simplify, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Okay? So ang ating product, 1/2 times 8, that is simply 4. Next, x to the 4th power times x cubed. Kopyahin lang natin yung x. And then 4 plus 3, since pareho ang ating mga base, add na lang natin yan, magiging 7. Ito na ang ating magiging product. 4 times x to the 7th power. And then last given, meron tayo ritong variables na x and y. Okay? So, unahin natin yung numerical coefficients. 7 times 2, that is 14. And then, dun muna tayo sa mga x. X squared times x. Kopyahin natin yung x. I-add natin ang exponents. 2 plus the invisible 1. That is 3. And then y times y cubed. Ang y ay, again, may invisible 1 exponent. So, kopyahin ng y. And then 1 plus 3, that is 4. The product is 14 times x cubed times y to the 4th power.